Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? Hope you're doing great as always. Today, again, we're just working on items and inventory. So this is a really fun part. I love working on this because it kind of gives you loot, and who doesn't like loot, right? So that's kind of cool. But before we get started, as always, I just want to remind you again, check out the description box. Bunch of useful links down there to nice playlists where you can learn more about C++. Check out the tutorials if you haven't, and yeah, you got my Twitter link, support page. Follow me on Twitter. Drop a like, subscribe here if you want. Join Discord if you want. Otherwise, let's just start with the tutorial here, or the video. So what we did in the last video, we kind of made a toString function for item, so we can print the item out, get the value, rarity, and stuff. The idea here is to not have item as a class. Again, I'll just say that it will be a base class for weapon and stuff. So we're not going to be creating items per se. What we're going to do now, the test out item, isn't what we're going to end up with later. I just want to say that. So just keep that in mind. We're designing item right now in a way that is not really correct, but we'll get to that in the future videos when we start working on weapons and armors and stuff. But for now, this is cool. So what we left off with was we actually need some stuff here in the constructor. So we need to create a constructor here. We need to get a std string name. We need a unsigned type, unsigned rarity, and then a unsigned value. Okay, so that's cool. Now we got a few things going here. At least beautiful stuff happening. All these beautiful things just in our constructor. Okay, so I'll just do this just so it's a little more clear what we have. And then we're just gonna do this. Name equals name, type equals type. The actual name equals the parameter here. Rarity, boom, and value, boom. Okay, cool. So we got that. Let me keep that there. Actually, there we go. What looks better? I don't know. Sometimes I'm so confused. Okay, we'll just leave it at that. Whatever. Cool. So now we can create an item, name, type, rarity, and value. We will fill out this generate thing later on. We'll see. We'll see how we do that. But for now, yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. All right, let me just go into travel menu state. Let's see how we're gonna do this. So once I come in here, come into travel menu state, I'm setting the seed. Okay, cool. That's fine. All right, I'm not gonna waste more time. What I'm gonna do is I did create a inventory object in character, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Here, inventory object. So it has 10 spaces, 10 places to be, and then we can do this. We can include in game state. Did I include item here? I didn't include character. I have not included item yet. I don't know where I included. Oh, item is included in inventory, so I can create items here as well. Cool. So let's just go into character. And let's go to the constructor, wherever that is. Here it is. Initialize attributes and stuff, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Update stats doesn't really matter. Okay, so this inventory dot, hopefully we'll see. Yeah, we saw add. And then we'll add an item here. So this is an item reference. Now, item test. Test. So what are we going to do? What is that? Type maybe 0, rarity 1, value 200, something like that, whatever. So we created an inventory item here. And if I run this, probably it's going to crash and burn. And then we're going to fix our inventory class using this. So to make sure that this works, I ran it. I don't know what the hell's happening. I think it says down here. Should say. Okay. Did not crash. Which is cool. Okay, I'm just gonna quit the game again. Didn't crash still. We could delete it. Okay. So this inventory dot toString. Boom. So this returns a string. I'm just going to do std out of this. This is a debug type thing that we're doing right now. And a new line. Boom. Cool. And let's go back into inventory.cpp. And we're going to go to toString. And here where we had this little placeholder, we're going to say this items at position I dot get name like this. Oh no, toString. We'll just do the toString right there. Boom. And that will actually print the item out for us, hopefully, at the constructor. Okay, it should, but obviously we cleared it. Whoops, what am I doing? Okay, that was my other stuff. What am I doing? Okay, character here, toString, inventory add. Let's do the toString somewhere else. Maybe if we let's see. So I added an item. Alright, we're still gonna have to add this here, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna go down into accessors and I'm gonna say inline const inventory reference get inventory const probs, because this is to not change stuff. I don't want to change stuff here. This is only for returning it. So return this inventory like this. Or do we want const? Actually, no, I do not want const because I will be changing it. Okay, cool. So I'm returning a reference to it. That's cool. Fine. This is just debug. Then if we go to travel, if we go to character menu state, where is character menu state? Let's go to the character menu state CPP here, like this, and let's create a little thing here called show inventory. All right, like this, without that. And then at 5, we're gonna do inventory. And then at the 5th position here, case 5, break. There we go. So what will we do at case 5? We'll do the system CLS, all that stuff. Just paste that in there. See out this character get inventory dot toString. Okay, so that's all it's gonna do. It's gonna clear everything, print out the inventory for us, and we should be fine. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. All right. So now we have a bunch of steps to show the inventory, but at least we can show it. We can add stuff to it. We can show it. Okay. Start game. Character menu. 5 inventory. All right. So name, test, type 0, rarity 1, value 200. Close the game. No crashes. Boom. Fuck. Hey. Hell yeah, I was about to swear. Woo! Didn't swear as good. It's not like I don't swear in this game or in this series. But yeah, there you go. So now we're gonna add a bunch of items here. Just a bunch of items, and we're just gonna run this and we're gonna see if it crashes. If the expand function crashes. It did not crash. Start game. Man, this must be the first. Wait, start game, character menu, inventory. Hopefully it will work. Okay, so we got 15 items. Hopefully this is fine. So this is the first time I created a dynamic array which doesn't crash. I didn't even check it for bugs that much, so that's kind of cool, I'd say. I'm kind of a little proud of myself. I hope you are too. And I'm proud of you for even attempting this, for those of you who did. So I'm glad. This is a really good way to create arrays in programming, basically. Inventory, like I said before, you can just name this dynamic array. You can name it vector2. You can create your own vector if you want. Just This is efficient. A pointer array like this is very efficient, and you can add stuff to it. Okay, you can do a bunch of stuff here. That's kind of cool. Let's see. Yeah, so that's fine. And all of these other things, the operator and stuff we created, all of that will be useful for us later. And when we want to copy over characters and want to copy over stuff, it's really good to have these operators because it eases stuff for us. It makes stuff easy. We can just say one inventory equals to another character's inventory, and boom, boom, you're done. All right. So yeah, just remember that. Cool. Have I been recording? Yes, I have. All right. So we're pretty much at the end of the video, at least this one. We created the item class here. We'll add some more stuff to item as we go on. We'll talk a little bit more about it, add weapons, add stuff. We'll add drops from enemies. Once we kill an enemy, we'll add a random drop for the character. We'll probably create some kind of files with a bunch of names which we'll randomize between to create these cool item names and stuff. And yeah, we'll see. I'll just create those and add them to GitHub, and I'll show you where I do. But we'll do that later. For now, we'll just focus on the basics. But thank you all for sticking with me. Thanks for all the nice support, all the nice comments. Thanks for all that stuff. I'm so sorry I can't answer everybody's questions and stuff. I have a lot of other things to do. I'm creating videos as often as I can. I'm really happy with how it's going though. I'm really grateful. Just remember that I'm really grateful. And I appreciate you all. Check out the description box for my Discord link, where you can also find me if you want to. You got my Twitter. You can message me there as well. Yeah, follow me on there if you want. My support page as well. Really appreciate you checking all that stuff out. Drop a like, subscribe if you liked the video and the series and everything in general. But thanks so much again. Take care, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. All right? Bye-bye.